back to another video. I think the strikers are available for Team of the Year. And I've got 2,350 FIFA points on this account. So I'm going to open some packs. Hopefully we get a Team of the Year. Wish me luck. Oh my god, what am I doing? Come on, I think there's promo packs. Right. Let's start off with a 25k pack. Give me something good. Give me something good. Please, 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 please. We get an Alito in our first pack. Come on. Now we're going to the mega pack. Please, 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 please. Come on. Come on, give me something good. Please. Wait, 5.7 round with it? Oh, and 1,000 coins. Yes, that's okay, actually. I don't know why I was going so mad about 1,000 coins. Right, I'll open this. Please, 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 please. I should have done Superstition. This really shows that my pack look is awful. Oh, I got the England badge. Oh wow. Oh, we'll just put them on the total list. Right, we put what can we get for 3? Right, I'll just open this pack and then we can use the other 300 points on a photograph, but not on this video. Right. I'm going to do a leave the room pack, but a nose pack at the same time. Look, nose, let's go. I'm back. David Luiz. That's really our best player so far. Oh, and Cavani. Oh man, that was actually quite a good pack, you know. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.